Students, today we are going to discuss chapter 10 perimeter and area. In that exercise 10.2 first question. The question is given here: find the area of the rectangle with the given sides. What are the given sides in first question? First one, 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Okay na? So you can take 50 centimeter is a length and 20 centimeter is a width. Okay na? Now see its solution na. Simply draw a rectangle diagram. Okay, rectangle diagram. So this is length of a rectangle and this is breadth of a rectangle. Okay, length of a rectangle is given what nana? That is 50 centimeter, and breadth of a rectangle is given what nana? That is 20 centimeter. So in a rectangle length అనేది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, breadth వచ్చేసి తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. So that's why I taken bigger value వచ్చేసి length and small value is breadth. Now what is the area of a rectangle? Rectangle ki area formula ఏంటి? ఓకేనా? Area of a rectangle is equals to, that is length into breadth. Area is always square units. Okay na? Area is always what na? What are the units of area? Square units. This is the required formula. Area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Now simply area A is equals to length. Length means given what nana? That is 50 centimeter into breadth means what nana given? That is 20 centimeter. So square units అన్నాడు కదా, area is always square units. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చిన యూనిట్స్ ఏంటి? సెంటీమీటర్, సెంటీమీటర్. సో దట్స్ వై స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్స్ మీన్స్ స్క్వేర్ సెంటీమీటర్. ఓకే, now 50 into 20 area is equals to simply 5 2s are what nana? 5 2s are 10. ఇక్కడ ఒక 0, ఇక్కడ ఒక 0. ఈ 2 zeros ని పక్కన రాసేయండి. Then 50 into 20 means what? That is 1000 square meters. Therefore the area of a rectangle with the given dimensions is what nana? That is 1000 square meters. So this is the required answer for the question. Okay. Okay students, now the next question is second one: find the area of square with the given side. What is the given side? In that first question, the given side is 26 meters. Okay now, so now I am going to solve this question. First of all, draw a square. We know, we discussed at the time of geometry, a square is a polygon, regular polygon, because of it has all sides are equal in length and each angle measures what nana? 90 degrees. అన్ని sides ఏముంటుంది? స్క్వేర్ కి ఈక్వల్ ఉంటుంది. ఈచ్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ మెజర్స్ వాట్ రా? 90. ఈచ్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ మెజర్స్ 90 degrees. So here given the one of the side of a square is 26 meters. Now what is the area of a square? Area of a square is equals to, that is side into side. What nana? Area of a square is equals to side into side. Units వచ్చేసి area is always square units. Now area A is equals to side, one of the side, the side means that is given 26. So 26 into 26, side into side అంటే 26 into 26, because of all sides are equal in length కదా. 26 26 26, yes, like that. So that's why 26 into 26. What are the given units? Units are meter, so that's why that is square meters. So 26 into 26 is equals to what? So take simply multiplication. 6 6 36, 6 2 12 plus 3 15, 2 6 12, 2 2 4 plus 1 5.
15.
So we get that is 6 7
6.
6. So 26 into 26 means what, Nana? That is 676. So the area of a square with the given dimension, that is what, Nana? 676 square meters. Okay, students? Okay, students. Now question number 3. The question is given here. The area of rectangular frame is 1125 square meters. Okay, if its width is 25 centimeter, what is its length? Okay, so this is the given question. Now I am going to write the given data, Nana. Given that the area of a rectangular frame is equals to, that is 1125 square meters. Okay, and its width is equals to, that is what, Nana? 25 centimeter. For your understanding purpose, I am going to draw a rectangle. We know this is the length of a rectangle L, and this is the breadth of a rectangle. What is the given area? That is 1125 square centimeter. Okay, here given breadth is what, Nana? 25 centimeter. Length is equals to what? Okay, now what is the area of a rectangle formula? Area of a rectangle, that is equals to what, Nana? Length into breadth. Area is always square units. We know by problem area of a rectangle is given what, Nana? That is 1125 square meters. Okay, is equals to length means what, Nana? We don't know, that's why I am writing length only, into breadth. What is the breadth, Nana? Breadth 25. Is given 25 centimeter. Okay, now what I am doing, I am transposing 25 to LHS side. Length into 25 kada, into quantity transposing to LHS side, it becomes what, Nana? Division quantity. Okay, now we can write 1125 square meters by 25 centimeter is equals to length. Okay, the 25 centimeter into quantity transposing to LHS side, it becomes what, Nana? Division quantity. Ikkada em untundi? Length. Now clearly is centimeter ki centimeter square ki cancel. Okay, ఇక్కడ సెంటీమీటర్ ఉంటుంది. సెంటీమీటర్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే సెంటీమీటర్ ఇంటూ సెంటీమీటర్ బై డౌన్ ఈజ్ సెంటీమీటర్ ఇస్ దేర్. సెంటీమీటర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 1 centimeter ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో నౌ యూజింగ్ 25 టేబుల్. ఓకేనా, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. అంటే ఈ 112 లో 100 మైనస్ అయిపోతే జస్ట్ 12 ఉంటుంది. బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 5, అంటే 125. 25 5s are what, Nana? 25 5s are 125. So we get a 45 centimeter. So that is equals to what, Nana?
Length.
Length of a rectangle. So this is the required answer for the question. Okay.
Good.
Okay, students. Now question number 4. The question is given here. The length of a rectangular field is 60 meter, 60 centimeter, and the breadth is half of its length, and the breadth is half of its length. Find the area of the field. Okay, so I am taking here the given data. Given that the length of a rectangular field, the length of a rectangular field is equals to 60 centimeter, and given here its breadth is equals to half its length.
60 by 2.
Okay na students? అంటే breadth is equals to half అంటే 1/2, half అంటే into length means what, nana? That is given 60 centimeter. Half అంటే 1/2, OF half అంటే into what is its length? 60 centimeter. So 2 1s are
30.
2 30s are. So we get breadth is equals to what, nana? 30 centimeter. Okay. Now I'm drawing rectangle diagram. So this is the rectangle diagram. So this is the rectangular field. This is what, nana? Rectangular field. Okay, rectangular field. This is length and this is breadth. According to the given data, the length of a rectangular field is 60 centimeter and the breadth of a rectangular field is 30 centimeter. What is the area? Area is equals to length into breadth square units. Okay na students? What is the area of a rectangle formula? Length into breadth square units. Now area is equals to length means given what, nana? 60 centimeter. Length means given 60 into breadth means given, breadth means we get what, nana? That is 30. Square units ante manaki ichina units centimeter, so that's why that is square centimeter. Now we can write area is equals to 30 into 60. Simply 3 6 3s are what, nana? That is 1800 రాసేయండి. So 60 into 30 means that is 1800 square centimeter. Okay na? So this is the required answer for this question. Okay na students? Thank you.